'cause I know that my flow is killing souls, killing souls. I am from another world, never heard a man rhyme like this before. I opened the door, yes, open treasure, Lord the measure, live forever. Not gonna be clever, never say never, but I'm gonna be with the truth. Gonna be a part of the truth. Yes, I'm a warrior. I'm a son of a lion. Yes, I'm a son of Zion. Your name is Brighton, and I be right, man. All the time, when I'm breathing in meditation, I'm just good with a voice. Here is the toast to the master horse. He feels what I'm saying, feeling in vibration. And I'm aligning in my mind in some dimension. In His glory, yes, anointed, justified, over life, confessing, Lord, intercede in my eyes, that I just want to be fly. I want to do things interesting. I just don't want to lose hope. I don't want to be sold to no dope. I don't want to be sold to no money. No soul in my soul to no honey. Just feeling good with my doctor. Drinking water, baptized with the fire. Reaching the top. You can stop thinking a lot. I'm started smoking this pot and trying to roll full and plot. But you know I'm deep down and you know I read off down. And you know my brother from my mother is the other witness like me. Changes me because I'm listening to you. Kamikaze, because I have this feeling. I have this feeling with a melody. Professing confession. Breathing in meditation. I am from another world. I am from another world. Never heard a man like me before. Because I opened that door. I said, open treasure. I said, fill the measure. If you want to live forever. Be
Latest
with this
news off the street. The OPM boys made it to first. But the inside word is the odds are stacked against them. Be careful out there, boys. Real careful.
It's so spectacular.